Bullish Algo value expectation is $0.2814 to $0.7594. Algorand, Algo, cost could likewise reach $0.8 soon. Bearish Algo cost expectation for 2023 is $0.1635. In Algorand, Algo, cost expectation 2023. We use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Algo to dissect the future development of the digital money. What is Algorand? Algorand, Algo, is the local digital money of the Algorand biological system. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in light of savvy contracts. Algo was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand possesses its local Algorand virtual machine, AVM. Algo savvy contracts empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated evidence of stake POS agreement system, joined with Byzantine Understanding Convention. POS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's organizer Silvio Macaulay. The blockchain follows algorithmic irregularity to choose its validators and verifiers, and in this way supporting its name Algorand. Clients get to partake in the administration of the blockchain, either simply by holding Algo or marking it. Algo holders get almost 7.5% AP as automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, effective, and supportable exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and adaptability. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. Algorand, Algo, stands firm on the 37th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. Algo cost forecast 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above diagram of Algorand, Algo, spread out a flat channel design, even channel otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the flat channel is shaped during the cost solidification. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run on a level plane equal, and the cost activity is held inside it. A level channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses are in combination. Right now, Algorand, Algo, is in the scope of $0.2404. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Algo could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.2417 and $0.3617. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Algo might tumble to $0.1982 and $0.1623. Algorand, Algo, backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Algorand, Algo. The diagrams show that Algorand, Algo, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Algo could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $0.7594. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Algorand, Algo, could plunge to nearly $0.1635, a negative sign. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2023 RVOL, MUMA and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Algorand, Algo, is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Algo lies underneath the N line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MUMA, of Algorand, Algo, is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Algorand, Algo, cost lies under 50 MUMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Algo has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Algo whenever. In the interim, the general strength file, RSI, of the Algo is 64.66. This implies that Algorand, Algo, is in an almost overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Algo might happen in the impending days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of Algorand, Algo. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Algorand, Algo. At present, the ADX of Algo lies in the scope of 30.87, and in this manner, it demonstrates areas of strength for A. The above graph additionally addresses the general unpredictability record (RVI) of Algorand Algo. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Algo lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Algorand Algo is at 64.66, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of Algo with BTC F. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Algorand Algo. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH, BTC, and Algo are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of Algo additionally increments or diminishes separately. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should anticipate the cost of Algorand Algo somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Algorand Algo could most likely accomplish $1 by 2024. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, Algorand Algo could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Algo could revitalize to hit $3 by 2025. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2026. If Algorand Algo supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Algo would mobilize to hit $5. Algorand Algo Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Algorand Algo supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Algo would energize to hit $7. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Algorand Algo supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Algo would energize to hit $9. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2029. If Algorand Algo holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Algo would hit $11 in 2029. Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2030. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand Algo, it would observe significant spikes. Algo could hit $13 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the Algorand organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Algo. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Algorand Algo in 2023 is $0.7594. Then again, the negative value expectation of Algorand Algo cost expectation for 2023 is $0.1635. Moreover, with the progression